What's up YouTube? In today's video I'm going to do another unboxing. So yeah, have you heard of the company Soundcore? Yeah, it's a earbud earphone company and they make good quality earphones. So I'm going to be unboxing the Soundcore Life Note. So this is the box. Let me start unboxing. I already opened this part. The box here. From here, let the real unboxing begin. First, let us look at the box. Here, the sticker, and there's Life Note and Soundcore by Anchor. 40-hour playtime. That's big, right? And yeah, that's all this side. We have a 4 minutes, four mics for clear calls, superior sound, ease and incredible sound loved by 20 million plus people this side, and the other side we have crystal clear calls. We have four microphones with noise reduction, so there are four mics. So yeah, one, two, and the same here. Okay, that's all. Here we have some specifications which I'll state later in the video. Let's get right in the unboxing. Yay! Okay, I have the box here. So we have already seen the all sides of the box. Let me open. So Soundcore Life Note has good call quality among the TWS earphones. There are four microphones, two of which are supposed to help with noise reduction when making calls or in noisy environments. With beamforming noise reduction, they do a decent job. Okay, so I guess this is the manual. It's stuck to another thing. Let's open this. Yeah, after removing the tape, we have some things here. Okay, how do we sound? There's this thing. When you open it, you get this old pamphlet type thing. So you can read this. It tells you some numbers, contacts, and other things. I'm going to keep this aside. Here is the FAQ on what type of Bluetooth connection it has and other specifications. Uh, this is the safety manual in all the languages you might know or you might not know. And this is a quick start guide. I'll come back to you right after reading this. After I read this, I will show you what else we have in the box. I read the manual. It was pretty simple. When I'm like showing you each one of these things, I'll tell you what I read in the manual. First, let us remove this. So we can see the brand name Soundcore. We can see the charging port. We can see some specifications here, and we have a small line here, which if we just press, it opens. Yeah, and here it has some silver padding, all gray padding, and so the manual said that to turn it on we should take it out, to turn it off we need to put it back. That's all. It's that simple. We don't need to press any buttons or so. And for charging, we just need to keep it here, and we should have charged this before, or we can charge this and charge this using this port. And see, so now there are these paper protectors. Let me remove these protectors. This a button. There's a white light now. So yeah, this is how it looks here. We have a paper over here. It tells us to get started, we need to take the silver paper out, then to charge it for 5 minutes, then we need to pair it. Yeah, pairing is pretty simple. go to Bluetooth and pair it. And now we have different sizes of buds to match what we need to wear. And this is the charging port. It's a basic C type. A lot of phones are coming in these types of chargers nowadays, so it's the same basic one. And yeah, this was the unboxing of the Soundcore Life Note. The links are in the description down below. Thank you for watching. Look at my previous videos. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. I'm out.